If your Krita brush is not working, painting invisible strokes, lagging, or acting completely broken, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your brushes working again fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and Krita tutorials. Let's start with the most common cause, corrupted configuration files. Sometimes Krita's settings get damaged, and that can make brushes stop painting properly. To fix that, open Krita and go to Settings, then Configure Krita. In the Settings window, look for the Reset All Settings button at the very bottom left. Click it to restore Krita's settings back to default. After that, close Krita completely and restart it. In many cases, this alone fixes the brush error immediately. If the problem is still there, we need to take the stronger fix. Close Krita fully before doing anything else. Then open your computer's file explorer and type %local updates into the address bar, then press enter. Look for the folder named Krita. Rename that folder to Krita_old. This forces Krita to create a fresh set of configuration files the next time it opens. Now launch Krita again and test your brush. If the issue was caused by a bad user profile or damaged settings folder, this usually clears it right up. Now, if your brush is working but nothing appears on the canvas, the issue may not be Krita itself. It could be your layer settings. Go to the Layers docker on the right side of the screen and check the active layer. Make sure the padlock icon is unlocked. If the layer is locked, Krita will not let you paint on it. Next, check the alpha lock or inherit alpha icon. If that checkerboard icon is turned on, your brush may only paint where existing pixels already exist. Turn it off if you want to paint normally on the whole layer. Also, look at the blending mode at the top toolbar. If it is set to something like erase or overlay, your strokes may not behave the way you expect. Change the brush blending mode back to normal. That simple change fixes a lot of cases where the brush seems broken even though the tool itself is fine. Next, let's make sure that the brush engines and plugins are actually active. Go back to Settings, then open Configure Krita. Look for the Python plugin manager or the plugin section, depending on your version. Make sure all brush engines and core plugins are checked and enabled. If you had to turn anything back on, restart Krita before testing again. Some brush-related features will not fully load until the program has been restarted. If your brush error is more about lag, stuttering, or choppy lines, then the issue may be performance rather than a broken brush. Open Settings, go to Configure Krita, and then open the Display section. Find the Canvas Acceleration Renderer and try switching it. For example, on Windows, you may want to switch between OpenGL and Direct 3D to see which one performs better on your system. Different devices behave differently, so one renderer may be much smoother than another. You should also check for stabilizer settings in the Tool Options docker. Stabilization can help smooth lines, but if it is set too high, your brush strokes may feel delayed or lag behind your pen tip. If that happens, turn the stabilizer down or switch it off completely and test again. That can instantly make the brush feel more responsive. So to quickly recap, if your Krita brush is not working, start by resetting settings, then rename the Krita config folder, then check layer lock, alpha lock, and blending mode, then make sure brush engines and plugins are enabled, and finally adjust canvas acceleration or stabilizer settings if the issue is performance related. One of these fixes will usually solve the problem. If this video helped you fix your Krita brush error, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick Krita troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.